friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to film my Dollar Tree spring Easter decor haul thus far. So I have gone to a couple different Dollar Trees and my personal shopper, one of my friends, Kat, and my sister Beth has also gone to a couple Dollar Trees for me and made some purchases. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up from the Dollar Tree and what they have to offer, then just keep watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I apologize that I'm wearing the same outfit that you will see in another haul, but as I've said before, I have limited time when I can film, and I don't really want to waste time changing my clothes, so that seems kind of fake. This is who I am. So anyways, let's jump into the video now. First, I will show you some non-Easter related items that I purchased. So I picked up two of these light colored wreaths, and the intent is to do the Easter bunny, and we'll see how it goes. I may not even use these for that. I may use these for something else. So I did get those. I purchased several of these 8x10 canvases, and some of them will be used for decoupage on some holiday prints, and then the other ones will be used for the wood frame itself, just because it's very good quality and I have a DIY in mind for those. And then along the lines of the DIYs, I picked up two of the 5x7 canvas, and these are the stretch canvas, which are kind of new, I think, to Dollar Tree. And then I picked up a few of the 6x8 size stretch canvas. And then I did pick up one of the canvas in 4x6, and it's a 3-pack. And they are not the stretched ones, they are just the thin ones. Again, for DIYs. I picked up several succulents from Dollar Tree, but if you have not seen my Target haul, then be sure to watch that because I purchased several there, and of course the quality is similar. I won't deny that. Dollar Tree stuff is very good as well. And then I also, in that Target haul, had a couple from Amazon that I purchased. So there's a couple different varieties that you can choose from, and I just kind of give you a little bit of exposure to what's out there on the market. So a couple of these from the Dollar Tree have actual clips on them, so that's kind of nice. It's nice not to have that big old pick. Of course, sometimes the pick is easier to work with. So I picked up these two. I did get one grass. It's got kind of like spiky edges, which is kind of cool. That's definitely lifelike. Got one in this light color, which I only got one. I thought it would be nice to have a little pop of brightness amongst all this dark green, but not entirely sure that I love this one that much. And then I did go ahead and get two of these clips as well, which this Dollar Tree that we went to, or that Kat went to for me, did not have the picks, just the clips. And so I got several of the clips, and thank you, Kat, for these purchases. And then at my Dollar Tree, we did have the little teeny tiny potted succulents for $1. And so I picked up a couple of those. And I've already started a DIY with them, so I do have some in my craft room, and I'm painting the vases with Easter spring colors. Just so, well, I don't know, I painted these planters on a couple in my craft room for spring colors, Easter colors. So I may do that for these as well, or I may just take those out of the pots and use them someplace else. One more, two more. I guess I did have one listed. I think there might be more in there. So here's this one, and it's just a grass, and it is on a stem. And of course the stems on the ones from Target are definitely a lot better quality. And then I got one more grass with a pick. Okay. Picked up one of these cutting boards in white. I intend to DIY this, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, and so my most exciting find that's not Easter related but kind of Easter related was these picks. So these floral picks are similar to those, again, in the other video I showed you some Amazon succulents that are kind of frosty like this. They're kind of like the lamb's ear, and just really, this is one pick right here, and so they have it in like this pink and purple, pretty pink and purple. Got two of those. They had them in these, let's see if I can find it. This one here is just the yellow and purple. So that one was pretty. I got two of those. And then this pick here, these are two picks here. With the little red frosted berries and yellow. And then the last set is this one here, pretty pink and purple. Okay, so I thought those were really pretty. And again, big shout out to my friend Kat for purchasing those for me because my Dollar Tree did not have them. This is the last non-seasonal item. So they had this cardboard, I guess it's, I don't know what that stuff is called, but it's kind of cheap wood. And it says blessed and thankful. So I always say that I'm very blessed. And so this one was definitely grabbed my attention when I saw that. And of course, thankful was appropriate as well. So I'm not going to do anything with this other than use it. And I really like these because they fit perfectly on the granite countertop. And I cover up my outlets in my kitchen with some of these just to kind of decorate some more. And of course, they fit perfectly up there. So that will be going in my kitchen, most likely. Okay, so that is it for the non-Easter related items. So let's see, the first set of Easter items that I had my sister purchase on were these really cute bunnies. And they're on a pick. They've got this cute little fuzzy tail, these cute little eyes. And I've already opened them because I tried to do some moss on one and it's looking okay. I gotta figure out what to do for the eyes, but it lost its shape a little bit because they're so tiny, but I wanted to see if I could make that into a moss bunny. So anyways, if it works out, I will do I'll include that in either a tour, or if you guys want to see a DIY I can, but it's kind of self-explanatory. So I picked those up. And then also on a stick, they have these styrofoam eggs that have the polka dots in these colors. So I got one pack of those. And then they have the minis. And the minis had 10 in there. So you can see that. They're cute little ribbons. So those will be cute in the floral arrangements along the egg line. I did get one pack of these glittered Easter eggs in the blue, pink, purple, and yellow. Just good colors there. Okay, I apologize if you hear that water running in the background. Okay, so I had 4 of these eggs that I purchased, and you can see this is pink and green, and this is yellow and blue. You can definitely tell the green now with the yellow. So those were really cute. They kind of got like little jewels on them. They also have the ribbons, so if you want to hang them, you definitely could. Kat was able to find the Easter egg grass. And so this is the orange colored one. This is the pink, like a really pretty blue, and then purple. So each stem of onion grass has 3 eggs. And I just thought they were just super cute. You're using them on a floral arrangement or just, you know, sitting behind something. So they get one of each of those. I purchased a few of these eggs In the crate, there are these speckled eggs. We've seen people haul those. I intend to keep probably one as is, take the plastic off and super glue the eggs into the crate just for decoration. And then I have DIYs in mind for these other ones. I wanted to do a topiary, a tree topiary or a wreath. So either one of those, a tree topiary or the wreath. But I plan on doing something, one of those with these eggs. I had purchased a couple of these peeps from the Dollar Tree, and one package has already gotten eaten, and I'm happy to report it was not by me. It was by my kiddos. So I have one left. I hid it so I could show you guys that, hey, Dollar Tree has the peeps out. So I'm sure this will be eaten before I can put them. My thought was to line a jar. You know, I was gonna line like one of these jars from like Target Dollar Spot with the peeps, and we'll see if that makes it. I may have to buy one of those. Okay. A few more egg related items. I picked up two packages of these eggs, and I think the other package that I used for DIYs have stripes, like a white stripe around them. And then of course this one is just the solid colors. I had this sign, and if you remember at Valentine's Day they had something very similar that had hearts, and you just rip the egg off the back and use those for DIYs. And again, I have a DIY in mind for these. I'm going to do a like a topiary with these size eggs, and I was able to purchase the yardstick eggs, and they're pretty enough in themselves. Like those colors are just really pretty, and these kind of remind me of donuts, even though they're flowers. So I purchased those to go along with these. I thought they were pretty good size, pretty comparable. This is the other egg sign, and I will probably again rip this egg off and use it with those small ones and then the medium size, and then I will do something with these. I may turn these into DIY signs for like the tiered stand or something. So I did purchase those. And I got this Easter egg sign, which is really cute because it's got the faux wood slats painted on there. So I thought that one was really cute as it is. And I do have one of these already hanging up, but these might be for a DIY. This one might be. And then I had plans for this one. So this is another one of those eggs in the medium size. And so while it's cute, this is definitely not my style. So I will be using these at a DIY. I purchased a couple of these cute little bunny signs, and I don't know if my intention is to leave them this color or if I will do something else with those, but I had originally thought about making a crate out of these. So I was going to cut them down, or you know, cut one of these in half and put two bunnies on either side to be the end crate. I will require my husband's assistance for that. Or because when they were shipped to me, they were kind of bowed, so I'm not really sure how they'll work out. I've been trying to get them to straighten out and I haven't had any luck yet, but we'll see. Let's see what happens with that. So I purchased those. And then I found these two signs are really cute. They have the galvanized steel at the bottom of both, and this is that cute little carrot theme. I'm looking for a couple other signs that involve carrots, so we'll see if I keep this the way it is. I like the cut of it because it's got the different dimensions, so it looks woody. And this one says "Somebody Loves You" with a little bunny on it, which is cute as it is, but they're not really my style. I may DIY these for sure. So that is those ones. I had Kat purchase these two as well from her Dollar Tree for me, and this one was just too pretty. I loved it, and the fact that I can keep it up longer than Easter was really exciting. And then the little bunny is really cute too, so he'll probably go in a tiered stand or something. I was able to find this one, which I really like this center print a lot better, so I purchased that. And then of course I didn't have these really in the haul, so these are things that I purchased after. I thought I was purchasing two of these because I really like the little rabbit, and somehow I ended up getting
the little chick, the little duck. And I'll probably let the kids paint that one because I really just wanted the rabbit. So I picked those up. They had this really pretty glass cross, and they had it in a couple different colors. I really like this turquoise color, so I picked up that. I picked up a pack of the paint trays, and of course they come with, I want to say 6 of these ones. So 6 of these, and for $1, you know, if you don't wash it, it's not the end of the world. So I picked up those. I picked up this cube, and I got a couple of those, and I will definitely be going back to get more of these because they are the perfect size. I mean, I've got all of my Easter DIY stuff in here, so yeah, definitely love those. I found this laugh sign, and similar to the Target signs, I'm going to try and paint this one in the pink color, make it look like it's wood as well, so we'll see how that turns out. And I picked up this sign, which is pretty cute. I definitely doubt that I'll be keeping this and using this as it is. I've already done a DIY, and I pulled off the bunny. I may go back and purchase more because this bunny is just too cute to pass up. So I will be using the sign for something, so that won't go to waste. And then I purchased this little girl. She is super cute. I had been looking all over for her. I really like the burlap happy. Love those colors. They did have a blue one, and I think other people have hauled that one. This one was the one that I really wanted, and she will be staying as is. I will not be doing anything with her. Picked up several bags of these carrots, and my intent is to use those in some DIYs. Obviously, I may use some just sitting around. I started playing around with painting them the same Easter colors. I may add some more green to the top of that. You can see that there's not a lot of green up there. So anyways, it didn't turn out too bad, but I may or may not continue to paint some. So I picked up those, and I want to say that that is everything from the Dollar Tree this round. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul, and if you have an opportunity, get out and get some of these really cute Easter signs and decor. You need to do so, because if it's like my Dollar Tree, they go fast. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave today. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.